हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज हम पढ़ेंगे इलेक्ट्रिसिटी एंड सर्किट। इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, वी यूज इलेक्ट्रिसिटी फॉर many purpose to make our task easier. Does your list include the use of electricity for lighting? In such situation, a torch is sometimes used for providing light. A torch has a bulb that light up when it's switched on. Where does the torch get electricity from? Electric cell. Electricity to the bulb in a torch is provided by the electric cell. Electric cell are also used in alarm clock, wristwatch, translator, radio आदि. You might have noticed that it has a small metal cap on one side and metal disc other side. The metal disc is the negative terminal and the metal cap is the positive terminal. An electric cell purpose electricity from the chemical store inside it. When the chemical in the electric cell are used up, the electric cell stop. A torch bulb has an other case of glass that is fixed on a metallic base. What is inside the glass case of the bulb? हम एक एक्टिविटी करेंगे. Take a torch and look inside the bulb. You can also take out the bulb with the help of your teacher. What do you notice? The thin wire that give off light is called the filament of the bulb. The filament is fixed to two thicker wires which also provide support to it. One of these thick wire is connected to the metal case at the base of the bulb. The other thick wire is connected to the metal tip at the center of the base. The base of the bulb and the metal tip of the base are the two terminals of the bulb. The two terminals are fixed in such a way they do not touch each other. The electric bulb used at home also have a similar design. A bulb connected to an electric cell. Let's try to make an electric bulb light up using an electricity. Pixel. Take your length of electric wire with a differently colored plastic covering. Remove a little of the plastic covering from each length of wire at the end. This would expose the metal wire at the end of each length. Fix the exposed part of the two wire to the cell and the other to the bulb as shown in your book. You can stick the wire to the bulb with the hair tape. Use the electrician. Connect the wire fixed to the bulb with those attached to the cell in 6 different ways to solve. For each arrangement, find out whether the bulb glow or not. Yes or no. Now carefully look at the arrangement in which the bulb glow. Up, keep the tip of your pencil on the wire near one terminal of the electric cell for the arrangement. Move the pencil along the wire at the all the bulb way the bulb. Now from the other terminal of the bulb, move along the other wire connected to the cell. Repeat this exercise for all other arrangement in which you could not move the pencil from one terminal to the other. An electric circuit. You connected one terminal of the electric cell to the other terminal through wire passing to and from the electric bulb. Note that in the arrangement shown. The two terminals of the electric cell were connected to the two terminals of the bulb. Such an arrangement is an example of an electric circuit. The electric circuit provides a complete path for electricity to pass, current to flow between two terminals of the electric cell. The bulb glows only when current flow through the circuit. In an electric circuit, the direction of the current is taken to be from the positive to the negative terminal of the electric cell. Terminal of the bulb are connected with that the electric cell by wire. The current passes through the filament of the bulb. This makes the bulb glow. Sometimes an electric bulb does not glow when if it is connected to the cell. This may happen if the bulb has fused. उस टाइम क्या होगा, जब बल्ब ग्लो नहीं करेगा तो बल्ब फ्यूज हो गया। एन इलेक्ट्रिक बल्ब में फ्यूज ड्यू टू मैनी रीजन। वन रीजन फॉर ए बल्ब टू फ्यूज ए ब्रेक इन द फिलामेंट, ए ब्रेक इन द फिलामेंट एन इलेक्ट्रिक बल्ब मीन ए ब्रेक इन द path of the current between the terminal of the electric cell. Therefore, a fused bulb does not light up. Can you now explain why the bulb did not glow when you tried to do so with the arrangement? So, now we know how to make a bulb light up using an electric cell. अब हम एक प्रैक्टिकल करते हैं. Take a torch bulb and a piece of wire. Remove the plastic covering at the two ends of the wire as you did before. Wrap one end of a wire around the base of an electric bulb and the other end of the wire to negative terminal of an electric cell with a rubber band. Now bring the tip of the base of the bulb that its other terminal and connect with the positive terminal of the cell. Does the bulb glow? Now move the bulb away from the terminal of the electric cell. Does the bulb remain light? You switch your touch torch on or off. अब है इलेक्ट्रिक स्विच. इलेक्ट्रिक स्विच क्या होते हैं जिसे हम ऑन ऑफ करते हैं. We have an arrangement for switching on off our home. This was a simple switch but not very easy to use. We can make another simple and easier switch to use in our circuit. You can make a switch using two drawing pins, a safety pin and or a paper clip, two wire and a small sheet of thermocol or a wooden board. Insert a drawing pin into the ring at the one end of the safety pin and fix it on the thermocol sheet as well. Make sure that the safety pin can be rotated freely. Now fix the other drawing pin on the thermocol sheet in a way that the free end of the safety pin can touch it. The safety pin fixed this way would be your switch in this activity. Now make a circuit by connecting an electric cell and a bulb with this switch as shown. Rotate the safety pin so that its free end touch the other drawing pin. What do you observe? Now move the safety pin away. The safety pin covered the gap between the drawing pins when you made it touch two of them. In this position, the switch is said to be on off. Since the material of the safety pin allows the current to pass through it, the circuit was complete and the bulb glowed. On the other hand, the bulb did not glow when the safety pin was not in touch with the other drawing pin. The circuit was not complete and there was a gap between the two drawing pins. In this position, the switch set to switch off. A switch is a simple device that either break the circuit or complete it. The switch used in lighting of the electric bulb and other device in home work. अब इलेक्ट्रिक कंडक्टर एंड इंसुलेटर. In our activity, we have used metal wire to make a circuit. Suppose we use a cotton thread instead of a metal wire to make a circuit. Do you think that the bulb will light up in such a circuit? What material can be used in electric circuit to that the current can pass through them? Disconnect the switch from the electric circuit you use for activity. This would leave you with two free ends of the wire as well. Bring the free ends of the two wires close to let them touch each other. Does the bulb light up? And now use this arrangement to test whether any given material allow current to pass through it or on not. Collect sample of different types of material as coin, cork, paper, pencil, lead. One by bring the free end of the wire of your tester and connect with the two ends of the simple you have collected. Make sure that the two wires does not touch each other while you are doing so. What do you find? The bulb does not glow when the free end of the wire are in connect with some of the material you have tested. This means that these material do not allow the electric current to pass through them. On the other hand, some material allow electric current to pass through them, which is indicated by the glowing bulb. Material which allow electric current to pass through them are conductor of electricity, and insulator do not allow electric current to pass through them. But do you conclude which material are conductor and which are insulator? Recall the object that we grouped as the having luster. Why copper, aluminum, and other metals are used for making wires. In which we made an electric circuit with a switch. When the switch was in the open position, were the two drawing pins not connected with each other through the thermocol sheet, but the thermocol you may have found is an insulator, but over the air between the gap. Since the bulb does not glow when there is only air in the gap between the drawing pin in your switch, it means that air is also an insulator. Your body is a conductor of electricity, therefore be careful when you handle an electrical appliance.